Hey, it's Gina with WTI. Do you want to update the look in your bathroom with a new vanity that is easy to install and looks amazing? So my husband and I are total newbies when it comes to doing a remodel like this. And when we got the package from Homecart, it just really took all of the anxiety out of putting this together. The parts come clearly marked with easy to follow instructions. It took my husband about an hour and a half to put the cabinet together and then about 5 hours to actually install it with the sink and drain and faucet. We did have to make a few modifications with adding holes and shortening the back legs because we installed this in our RV. Even with that, it went together really smoothly, and we're so impressed with the quality of the materials and just how amazing that it looks. The only thing that we had to have extra was just silicone when we installed the sink. Everything else we were able to reuse from the existing plumbing. And I love that this comes with not just the cabinet, but also the sink, the faucet, the drain plug, and a mirror. It really gives you a whole new overall look. The drawers, the cabinet, and the shelf all hold a lot of things, and I really like that because it makes it easy to get to, and I can store all those little bits and bobs. This is what our old vanity looked like, and I just love the upgrade. We got the 30-inch vanity in white. It has a marbled effect on the countertop, and then it comes with really beautiful black handles. We just couldn't be more pleased with how amazing this vanity package is. It really came with everything that we needed to redo our look in the bathroom. The ease of installation was perfect for us as newbie remodelers. We're really impressed with it and we love it, and that's our point of view.